Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a lash clusters tutorial. So let's get into it. The first thing that we're going to do is go in with some lash shampoo, and I'm just going to go ahead and work that in on each eye. I like to do this before applying the lash extensions so that it can help clear any dirt or debris from my lashes. And then I go in with my water bottle and just rinse out some of that lash shampoo. And then I go ahead and repeat it on the other eye. Once that's rinsed out, I make sure to pat my eye very dry before going in with my handheld fan to ensure that both eyes are dry before we go into applying the lash extensions. Next, I'm going to grab my spoolie, and then I'm going to go in and just brush my little itty bitty lashes so that they can all be facing upright. And then I'm going to go in with some Lash Bond. So essentially Lash Bond is like the lash glue that's going to help keep the lashes secured to your natural lashes. And what I love about this Lash Bond is that the wand is very, very small, so you're able to apply it like you apply mascara. So this is a lash kit that I use. It has lash sizes from 20 all the way down to 10, and it also comes with tweezers and the Lash Bond that you guys saw in the previous clips. So once I apply the Lash Bond, I just go lash by lash and just apply it to my lash line. So I really like to take my time with this because once you do apply the lashes to the Lash Bond, it does stick on pretty quickly. So you want to make sure that you have your lashes where you want them to be so that you don't have to take them off and reapply the Lash Bond and redo the lashes. This is the lash map that I use. I have it here on the screen, but feel free to just use what you feel like works best for your eye shape. My eyes are pretty small, so I try to only use lashes from size 10 to about 16, but it's easier to start with smaller sizes and then add length later. So once both eyes are complete, I'm going to move on to the lash seal. So this is on the other side of the Lash Bond, and it has a spoolie, but it also has this tip applicator that you can rub on the bottom part of your lashes in order to seal it. So I like to use both to make sure that my lashes are sealed at the lash line, but they're also sealed at the lower part of the lashes as well, where my natural lashes connect. And this is necessary for the longevity of your lash clusters. The seal really helps to protect it from like any water, any makeup, sweat from working out. It just really provides that protection to ensure that your lash clusters last. And that is the final look. Pretty quick and to the point. This is the final look with some makeup on, but I just really loved having these lash clusters. I feel like they just enhance my face and they have just been so easy to do. So I hope this video was helpful and I will see you guys in my next one. As always, peace and love. Mwah.